Alright, check it out. Welcome to another update for Swipey Rogue. This is really exciting today. I'm going to show you something here. I've already submitted the app. It is waiting for review, and I'm going to do this. I'm going to remove it. Yes, are you sure? Yes, I'm removing it. Can you believe it? Oh my gosh, why did I do that? Okay, I'll tell you why I did it. It's pretty exciting. I'm super stoked. So, let's get right to the business here. I couldn't resist adding another feature. Yep, I know. I'm like the guy. I'm the guy who usually talks about feature creep. I'm the guy who's always talking about scope. Anyone who knows me would be laughing their heads off at me right now. But okay, here it is. So here I am. I wanted to do this, and so I did it. So in here, we have a new system. It's called Redeem Code. So there is a system now that I can, on the server, I'm going to turn the music down a little bit here, I created a backend component, it lives on the server, really little thing, and I can configure codes, which are prizes. So the same kind of prizes that you can win here, but even better, obviously, I can configure these cool codes and I put them online and outside of the game code, and then anytime you can come in here and then enter the codes. So what this allows me to do is I can like release a whole bunch of codes. So I can sort of like go on Twitter and go, hey guys, blah, 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 here's a code. And then I can configure how long it lives for. So it might only live for 10 minutes or it might live for a day, you know, so it could be a super amazing spell with really high values. One of the other really cool things is that, here, I'll do one right now. So let's go for this. You can see these, it doesn't matter. They're going to expire soon anyway, but I'm going to make them. So let's see, this one I believe is a gem. Let's get the gem really quickly. So 3WH. It was fun to make this little keyboard. 5C. I think it's fun to enter codes. It just like brings me back, and I'm glad that games do it like a lot nowadays. All these free-to-play games do it. So it's funny. I feel like a kid again every time I do it on those free-to-play games. But anyway, cool. So here we go. And then I redeem the code. Bang! I got 10 gems for that one. There we go. Boom. And if I tried to enter that one again, I'm not going to bore you with it. It would then, it wouldn't let me use it. You can only use it once. So down here I also have a spell. So I can configure gold and how much gold you get. I can configure gems and how much gems you get. And I can configure packs of spells. And this is the coolest because each spell I can even configure exactly like what's in the spell. So like which perks it has and the values of each of those perks. So quickly, let's go for this one. I know this one is a spell pack. This is what I'm most excited about. I think this is really cool. Like I could release like super powerful spells just for fun, you know, for like 15 minutes or something like that and post it on Twitter. I don't know, I think it's kind of cool. And then any of these things like spells, you know, and gold and gems are consumable. So in the game, once you've used it, you've used it. So even if you got some super high level spell at us, so let's do it. Boom, 6. So it's a pack of 6 spells. So let's go look at them. I'll go into free running mode and you can see them. So here they are. Here's the spells that I got, and they all have 3 perks and they all have high values. You can see they're all like, you know, 30% and things like that. So like this one right here, it's 30% chance of counter damage and plus 3 damage on counter damage and 30% block. That's pretty cool. This one is 30% block, 30% health pickups, plus 30% more pickups. So this one's all about looting. This one's awesome. I love chain damage. 30% chain damage, plus 3 to chain damage, and then plus 30% to the value of pickups. That's an awesome one. So it's pretty cool. So you get all these, you know, you can get all these cool prizes from it. You know, like I just got like a bunch of gems. And then, like I said, like getting a whole pack of these spells is awesome. So I'm really excited about it. This is the new system. It's right in here. It's like right in here. It's different ways of getting a prize. You can pay, you can watch an ad, or you can redeem a code now. I felt it just suited and it fitted, and I'm super stoked. Ah! Okay, cool. This has been long enough. Take care, guys. Thanks for tuning in. See ya.